In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from LinkedIn efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're compiling a report, taking notes, or simply saving some insightful quotes, knowing how to copy text quickly can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into it. First, you're going to want to log into your LinkedIn account. This is the essential step before you can access any of the content you might be interested in copying. If you aren't already a member, you'll need to sign up for an account over at linkedin.com. But for those already familiar with the platform, logging in simply involves entering your email and password in the designated fields and clicking Sign In. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn page containing the text you wish to copy. This could be a post in your feed, a comment, or even part of someone's profile. Identifying the specific piece of text is crucial here, so take your time to locate it accurately. With the text now in view, the next logical step is to highlight it. To do this, position your mouse cursor at the start of the text. Click and hold down the mouse button, and drag it across until you reach the end of the desired text. Release the mouse, and you should see the text highlighted. This visual cue confirms that your selection is ready for copying. Once the text is highlighted, right-click on it. This action will prompt the appearance of a context menu. From the options available, click on Copy. This method is direct, but if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's a faster way. Simply press Ctrl and C simultaneously if you're on a Windows computer, or CMD and C if you're using a Mac. Both these methods perform the same function of copying the highlighted text to your clipboard. Now, with your text securely copied, you're ready to paste it into your desired location. This could be a word processor, an email, or anywhere else you intend to use it. To paste, right-click where you want the text to appear, and from the menu that appears, select Paste. Alternatively, use the time-saving shortcut, Ctrl and V for Windows or CMD, and V for Mac users. This will transfer the text from your clipboard to its new home instantly. And there you have it. Now you know how to copy and paste text from LinkedIn with ease. Practice these steps a couple of times, and you'll be doing it without a second thought. As always, make sure the content you're copying aligns with LinkedIn's community guidelines and doesn't infringe on any copyrights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.